Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving into the cozy vibes of autumn by drawing a delicious treat, olive berry jam. Olive berries are an autumn favorite, and there's nothing quite like spreading this homemade goodness on freshly baked bread. The aroma of fresh olive berry jam is so nostalgic, and it instantly sets the mood for fall. So grab your art supplies, and let's create a masterpiece together. Let's begin by sketching out the outline of our jam jar. To give it that rustic touch, I added a fabric skirt wrapped around the glass jar. And a twine tied around the lid, just like how it might look in a charming kitchen. Now, let's draw that big, round, globe-shaped jar with a sturdy base. And of course, we can't forget to add some of that scrumptious olive berry jam inside. To make it extra special, I'm including whole berries inside our jam. Imagine getting a burst of berry flavor with each bite. To complete our artwork, I've added some berries on stems and fresh leaves in the background to set the perfect autumn scene. Now, it's time to bring our drawing to life with colors. The fabric skirt gets a warm orange hue, perfect for the fall season. The glass jar takes on a gentle peach color, giving it that cozy feel. The berries pop with a deep red. and the leaves in the background come alive with vibrant green. And voila! Our olive berry jam masterpiece is ready to be savored. It's the perfect autumn feast for your eyes. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep creating and embrace the beauty of each season with your art. Until next time, happy drawing!